Good morning, traders. Today, December 14th, it is exactly 25 minutes before FOMC, the biggest final financial event of the year. In the next 25 minutes at 2 p.m. EST, we will find out if rates are raised or not. Expectations are for rates to be raised. So let's review and discuss how intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader prepares for this trade. With a single glimpse, it's extremely clear. Institutional rally overextended. This is your institutional trading range. It's all between this level and this level. Intelligent trader understands with a single glimpse institutions buying, not selling this market. If this institutional buy point remains intact, market will remain bullish for weeks and months to come. So if the price collapses to this level, monitor for long. And again, and again, and again. What else is extremely clear? Nothing easy about this market. Institutional rally overextended. We've been stuck in massive bullish correction for the last 2 weeks. So if I take you back on this chart to the second week of November, this is a market. This is where intelligent trader extremely clear. All depends on response at this level. Here's the market exactly a month ago on November 14th. Nothing easy about trading overextended institutional rally. When institutions 400, 500 points in profit. When institution bullish rally remains vertical and institutions holding positions, how you trading institutional correction will define your success for many years to come. Market inch up for the last months after last FOMC minutes. So here we are this morning. Institutional trading range in front of you. You knew all of this far in advance. You see in a single class that this is proprietary predictive institutional system. So here we are a month later. Institutional rally remains vertical. Market is stuck. So when a price is giving you a gift and market is bought again and again at these levels, this is a gift for the last months. No software required. You can trade this across all instruments, all platforms. And if you will decide to apply software for NinjaTrader 8, here's the software projected on 3-minute chart. Multiple trades played out, especially before market opened this morning, as market bought by institutions non-stop. So if you understand what institutions trade and how they trade, and you're rising institutional power with them, you're always on the right side of the market and you're trading with joy, with consistency. You are done being a majority. You are done gambling. 95% gambles with markets. You're using your brilliant, intelligent brain, especially when you start with critical key institutional chart. So let me take you back all the way to the start of sell-off. I exited my long-term position on S&P index fund. I discussed with my students market setting up for crash. So here we are at the end of December. Do you remember this level on daily chart this morning? This is weekly. Weekly is a chart where institutions moving billions of dollars. Here we are. Let's go back to exactly a year ago. Why in the world would I discuss with my brilliant, intelligent traders at market setting up for crash? Simple, black and white. Institutional reversal zone is here. Do you want to gamble with your money? Do you want to lose sleep? Or do you want to use your brilliant brain and start managing your investments and start understanding? The crash had started. but war or not, market was being bought. So let's take this step by step as we have another 20 minutes before FOMC. This is the events at the start of the war, 2022. Do you remember this? Were you blown away? My hometown is bumped. Day one. But S&P skyrocketing 350 points non-stop. Why? Institutional orders sitting and waiting to be filled. Market moving step by step at critical key institutional buy points. What does the intelligent trader understands? That bearish markets drastically more challenging to trade because billions of dollars always buy on the way down. You cannot short near these levels, war or not. You cannot short near this level, inflation or not. You're using your brilliant brain and you're riding institutional power. So when the market is bought again at this level, you are very well prepared. You knew that since 2020 market was bought. Also, do you remember vertical COVID rally? We're dissecting it all in the live class tomorrow. So here comes catastrophic rate increase. Do you remember the event of June this year? Were you in shock? When market skyrockets 150 points, breathtaking, as again institutions buying market non-stop. Rate increase or not. That's what price does, but fails to break through this level. Pay attention, please, because this is intelligent, strategic Alpha Fibonacci chess that you can trade across all platforms, all instruments. Software came out for NinjaTrader 8 in 2019. System traded by institutions and hedge fund managers, no software required. Here we are on December 14th, 2022. This is historical level in front of you. So when market is bought at this level non-stop since 2020, you are absolutely well prepared. You understand that bearish markets require drastically more skill to trade. It's all between this and this level. We've been stuck here for the last 5 weeks. So what is a gift for day trader? The gift for day trader is sell-off and crash, which played out from this level prior in the months of September. Do you remember this? We're in exact same place. If market is not selling off, if price is not collapsing today, because it's respecting this support level, market will become much more challenging to trade. If buyers continue with vengeance higher, if institutions holding longs no matter if rate increase or not, this would require your ultimate skill to trade. 5-year-old can trade at this level, but how you manage institutional holds will define your trading for months and years to come. Institutional longs are on. Vertical bullish rally remains intact. Every single pullback is being bought. But again, it's between this brick wall and this level. That's it. And that's how intelligent trader trades. So if you're trading your own little account as strategic intelligent trader, as Alpha Fibonacci chess player, you stop gambling, you stop chasing markets. You start enjoying this game. This is a market before the open. There is no surprise. To the tick, we identified all of this in advance. And again, it doesn't matter if you trade 5, 3, 15. This is ultimate precision of Alpha Fibonacci chess. That's it. You decide what chart appropriate for you to trade. No software required. Never, ever, ever. You can trade tick charts. You can trade range charts. You can trade daily, weekly, monthly. If this year you spent 5 minutes trading S&P, you could have produced 800 points in profit. And you see it in a single class where I show you that you can trade position, any instrument you choose, any time frame. That's it. And that's a market that's being bought. So again, we would love for the price to be here. This is where institutions viciously buying the market. So if price pulling back from this level, this is a test of institutional longs. If market will continue being bought, which you knew many months in advance, that market will be defined with response at this support, you are buying at this level when rules are met. And with the power of the scanner, you're using your brilliant, intelligent brain. You're not pulling a trigger randomly. Never, ever, ever. You are not trading weakness. You only trading power. And that's ultimate Alpha Fibonacci preparation for FOMC event this morning. Again, 4,039.70 is a gift. What is the worst possible case scenario? Price is not pulling back to this level. Bullish rally skyrocketing is the worst possible case scenario. Institutions already 450, 500 points in profit. So if market not pulling back lower with skyrocketing and breaking through this level, trading will become brutal. Institutions can add to long positions anywhere. If you are trading your own little account, you cannot pull a trigger randomly. So this FOMC will require your ultimate brilliant strategic intelligent trading. Again, institutional brick wall to the upside, testing institutional brick wall to the downside. When you know the rules, you know how to take advantage of this. And with the power of micro day trading chart, you're focusing on simplicity. At the time of FOMC with ultimate precision, this is key level to the upside. Again, this is retail chart. So those of you who trading little accounts understand this is key level to the upside, this level to follow, this is brick wall. Also, to the downside, to the tick. This is ultimate level to be. But if the buyer is already stepping in here, this is aggressive trading. So again, before FOMC, to the tick, I convert this chart to 1. Do not pull a trigger randomly, please. Understand, price can spike 100 points plus. Understand, futures is the most leveraged instrument in US. Only place a trade you can afford. Only after FOMC. Spikes can be hundreds of points. This is the most aggressive and the most volatile news of the year. Key moment. Again, 10 more minutes left. Again to the tick. For retail traders, I'm projecting everything before FOMC. This is your retail trading range. Institutional level is here. This is a key. Here. Institutional buy point lower. Retail levels first here. Retail, institutions. Only you know your account size. Only you know what you can afford to trade. Multiple shorts playing out currently before FOMC. If you are taking a trade, what does the intelligent trader understands before FOMC? Exiting your position completely or taking profits off the table and moving your stop well outside of break even still may not protect your account. Please never forget that part. Understand, if market spikes 100 points plus, your stop can be closed 50 points outside of your stop. So here we go. This is what's playing out currently. I'm projecting software on one. This is a crawl, this is a pain. Retail, nothing. Agree? So if you decide to trade so aggressively, what's important to understand? Close your trade. Never forget that when you're trading futures and you have 5 or 10 point stop, if you don't understand that your stop can become 50 points, you have a lot to learn about trading futures. So please, the most aggressive markets in US are futures. Please understand the instrument you trade. But again, traders trading stocks, crypto, Forex, trading traders looking at the charts once a day, once a week, once a month. Trading room open so you can see precision. Trading room open so you can ask questions. 7 minutes before FOMC. Get ready, please. And remember, exiting your trade before the event is a brilliant thing to do. You also learn in the course that if you decide to trade, it's essential you walk away when your target is reached. But if you decide to trade outside of FOMC and you're trading multiple lot sizes, no matter what news event it is, even if you are in a trade, you stop well outside of break even, please. So read the documents you sign when you open futures account. So many traders come to me who've been trading for 10, 15, 20 years, and they're stunned when they actually read and understand. Nothing is secured with futures in US. So please understand the risk involved and obey the rules. And if day trading futures is not for you, it means you're only human. Use the system on hourly, on daily, on weekly, on monthly. Trade stocks, trade metals, trade anything you choose. And when price reverses from crucial target before FOMC, it's another powerful lesson. Do not speculate, do not gamble. Market is Alpha Fibonacci chess. After a single class, you see clearly. You will never, ever, ever need anything else. So again, if you arrived late, we reviewed institutional charts, we reviewed retail charts, and in front of you, Alpha Fibonacci software. But again, system traded globally on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. Software came out in 2019. You don't have to use software. Software is a phenomenal tool, but it's never a requirement, ever. 5 minutes. Get ready. And remember all we discussed between retail versus institutional levels. Again, to recap, 1 minute before the event. If institutional buy point remains intact, move is up. All depends on response at this level and this level. This is your trading range as you knew many months in advance. This is the power of the system. Move remains up. Vertical institutional rally despite catastrophic inflation and rate increase for the last 6 months remains intact. All depends on this level. And here we are. 1 minute to FOMC, the biggest financial event. You are very well prepared. You are not buying into this level. Here comes Alpha Fibonacci software. Price at the red zone. Retail nothing, overextended bullish rally. Again, institutional rally 500 points plus in profit. Institutional vertical rally remains intact if 4,000 level obeyed this morning. If 4,000 level still bought. Buying at this level not an option if you trade in your own little account. Market in massive correction. And again, if I bring to your attention software, this is a stunning reminder not to gamble, not to speculate with your money. So again, ideally, powerful pullback is a key. Ideally, we would love to see market at 4,000 level, as market been bought non-stop at that level. But again, if you're looking to sell, sell as high as possible. So here we are. News is out, traders. Is anyone surprised? Should not be. Is this a lesson not to hold your position? Tell me, please. Are you clear on this? Or have you been in a trade at the time of the most important financial event? I hope not. I hope you understand how dangerous this is. I hope you allow price to settle down. We knew this before it played out time and time again. Well before. That's it. So here it comes. We still have no idea what the news is. We knew all of this far in advance. Little retail level, where market was bought pre-market. We interested in institutional, not in retail level. Allow price to settle down for the last 5 minutes. But again, how short played out before FOMC and what played out after is a stunning reminder. Do not ever be on the wrong side of the market. Do not ever gamble. Do not ever speculate. With the power of Alpha Fibonacci system, you are very well prepared, far ahead. That's it. Lower is better. So if market already bought here is again, everyone knows the news 90% of the time before it comes out. Unless there is a major shocker, rate was supposed to be increased. So let's look at the numbers. Let's see what played out. Here we go. Rate remains same. Was not increased. Very bullish news. So how is it possible market selling off from this level? Simple. Market is Alpha Fibonacci puzzle. Agree? Bullish news. Oh no. Came to the brick wall. Response at this level is critical. Will define market for months to come. Bullish news does not work at this level, and you knew it well before FOMC. Pure and simple. If trading on the news worked, everybody on the planet would be Bill Gates. It never does. What works is your brilliant, limitless brain, pure price for entry, and alpha Fibonacci for exit. Market remain extremely volatile. Allow market to settle down, please. Key point in front of you. Price extremely neurotic. That's it. Shock or not. If buyers are here, take a trade when rules are met. S&P skyrocketed from reversal zone 20 points instantly. But with a single glimpse intelligent trader knows buyers are weak. Market remains neurotic. So again, if reversal zone confirmed, institutions buying the market, not selling, buying. So please do not trade markets that are volatile, not appropriate for you. Swings 50, 40, 100 points in a matter of seconds are not for retail trader, are not. Institutional traders can afford to do this. Institutional traders already 500 points plus in profit. Buyers are weak. Right now it is between this and this level. Simple, black and white, bullish weakness. It's screaming out loud. Again, let's go down further to institutional buy point. Agree? And that's your strategic intelligent brain. You have zero interest in being majority. You have zero interest in gambling with your money. You have zero interest in trading against yourself. Choose the highest quality trade only. Trade the power, not neurotic, panicky markets. Success is never about single trade. Success is about consistency and joy of trading and knowing quite well where to enter and exit the trade. So Bloomberg reported half a point rate increase, half a point traders. Again, we're dealing with bullish weakness. Again, buyers reversed from reversal zone. Buyers are weak. This is a level to the upside that's blocking the buyers. Buyers are weak. Very, very weak. So again, here we go, traders. Critical key moment that will define markets for months to come. Again, 20-point reversal on S&P, but bullish move is junky, is weak. Alpha Fibonacci brick wall to the upside remains. That's it. This is a level we are highly interested in. Key moment on institutional chart. And again and again and again. In case you missed all we discussed in the last 40 minutes, Yun uses days, weeks, and months in advance. Here is key institutional chart a month ago, exactly on November 14th, where a market been bought. So, in the next few hours, you will find out if institutional vertical rally remains intact or not. It all will play out in front of you. Key moment. Massive institutional correction remains here. This is intelligent strategic trading only. So here we go, traders. Again, we're discussing with students all the pros and all the cons of trading this. But again, what are you witnessing in front of you to the tick? Market reverses again from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Key level in front of you to the upside, 40.48. If buyers struggle to break through this level, we can be stuck in this bullish correction with price swinging 20 points back and forth. Key moment, this level is out, buyers skyrocketing. Again, you knew this well before it happened because you understand the difference between institutional versus retail trading. And that's a critical moment that again will define markets for days, weeks, months to come. Buyers remain weak, a bold pink line remains brick wall to the upside. Press conference or not, rate increase or not, inflation or not, market is bought. Key moment in front of you. After this, we are out. After this, I'm off to my students. So if you want to trade as intelligent, brilliant, institutional trader, I look forward with you, working with you. If you're done gambling with your money, if you're done chasing indicators, if you're done speculating, if you want to trade as intelligent human being, Alpha Fibonacci system is for you. You decide what you want to trade. During the most volatile historical event, you witnessed ultimate predictive precision. You witnessed difference between retail versus institutional traders. You witnessed how the system identified clearly what not to enter into. You witness what playing out in front of you clearly. Bullish weakness. And when institutional power will play out, intelligent trader would know what separates power versus weakness. Again, Doesn't matter what chart you trade. No software required. What is required is your brilliant brain and your spectacular effort. Only you can identify what's appropriate for you. Only you know your financial circumstances, your risk management, your tolerance level. When I work with you in private mentoring, I test you, I quiz you, I keep you accountable. It blows your mind what you learn within a couple of private mentoring sessions. That's it. Market is flawless. Alpha Fibonacci chess. I'm off to my students that again will show you time and time again. If day trading is not for you, use system long term. If this year you traded system 5 minutes, as institutional trader, you produced hundreds and hundreds of points on S&P. So if you'd like to see the power of the system and software in the live markets, you can always join us on the website by signing up for the trading room. But if you review everything on the homepage, you would understand this is a system traded globally by traders of all levels, from beginner to hedge fund manager, from 14 to 92-year-old, from Forex, stocks, futures, options, cryptocurrency, ETFs, mutual funds, metals, commodities, everything traded by traders from Florida, New Jersey, New York, Palm Beach, Dubai, London. So when their fathers bringing their children to the course, when husbands bringing their wives, it's the biggest honor. Click on Students Performance, view Students Podcast. You can be the student. We're closing out the biggest savings ever. Please review all on the website. There's so many things that will change next year as institutional rate system available to you. Private mentoring savings $1,000 includes everything. Group course, lifetime system, lifetime software, video library, modules, live classes included. Second option, group course. Again, every option includes lifetime system for all platforms. Includes live classes, video library, modules, and live trading room. Option 2 and 4 includes Ninja 8 software. But again, software came out in 2019. System traded globally since 2011. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me now or at any time later 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. So thank you so much everyone. It's been my joy and honor. And when the price will keep testing you to the core, you are not surprised. But please trade only with risk you can afford. That's it. And that's ultimate precise Alpha Fibonacci chess that you can trade on all instruments and all platforms. Thank you so much, traders.